दोस्तों, पहले ऑनेस्ट स्टेटमेंट 2025-26 में मल्टीपल ग्लोबल कैरियर रिपोर्ट्स एक चीज क्लियरली बोल रहे हैं। ट्रेडिशनल एनालिस्ट रोल बिल्ट ओनली ऑन एक्सेल बेसिक एसक्यूएल आर डिक्लाइनिंग। ये सुनकर पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन इग्नोर करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। रियलिटी वन, प्योर रिपोर्टिंग जॉब जहां सिर्फ एक्सेल सीट्स बनानी है, कम हो रही है। रियलिटी टू इज इंडिया में अभी भी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डेटा ओपनिंग लिस्टेड है। NASSCOM एस्टिमेटेड से इंडिया स्टिल फेस मैसिव डेटा टैलेंट शॉर्टेज। सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? जॉब्स खत्म नहीं हो रही है, जॉब्स इवॉल्व हो रही है। एंट्री लेवल रोल अप रिपोर्ट मेकर नहीं, एंट्री लेवल रोल अप प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर विद एआई अवेयरनेस है। तो सवाल ये नहीं है डेटा जॉब्स खत्म हो रही है क्या, सवाल ये है न्यू एंट्री गेट कहां से और हम वहां कैसे खड़े हो। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे जूनियर रोल श्रिंक क्यों हो रहे हैं, कंपनीज अब फ्रेशर में क्या ढूंढ रही है, फर्स्ट जॉब पाने में स्ट्रेटजी रोड मैप एंड द ऑनेस्ट पोस्टिंग that works, no sugar coating, no fake motivation, just clarity, because आने वाले टाइम में सर्वाइवल नहीं, स्मार्ट पोजिशनिंग जीतता है।
Why traditional apply and pray does not work anymore? The new application reality, 100 applications, 0 response. ये कॉमन है, क्यों? क्योंकि ATS अब AI powered है, wrong keywords, auto rejected. Companies receive 500 to 2000 applications for one junior role. 70% of jobs are filled through networks and referrals, not posted applications. Generic resume with skills list get thrown. Achievement based get noticed. If 70% jobs are referral filled, you are competing for the remaining 30% with everyone else. What actually works in 2026? First is network first strategy, referrals. Second is internship, full-time conversion. Next is freelance project, company client. Next is build in public, inbound opportunities. And last is target AI forward companies. They need humans to manage AI. These are not shortcuts. These are different paths to that work better than mass applying. The 5 actual entry points that work. Entry point 1, internship first strategy. Don't look for full-time job. First look for 3 to 6 month internship. Why? Because companies much more willing to take a chance for fresher for internship. And what is path? Path is first is internship, second is prove yourself, then full-time offer. 70 to 80% internship convert if you are good. Where to find? Internsala, LinkedIn, direct company career pages. And what to target? Startups and mid-sized companies. MNC are harder for fresher. Entry point 2, LinkedIn content creation. Post weekly about your learning, your project and your domain insights. This is slow 3-4 months but powerful. Recruiters find you. Real outcome, people get DMs for recruiting saying I saw your post about X, we have a role. Entry point 3, referral networks. 5 referrals greater than 5000 cold applications. How to build referral as a fresher? LinkedIn Connect Pro, data professional से with personalized message. Ask for 20-minute information chat, not job, not referral. Learn for them. Stay in touch. When you are ready to apply, ask, would you be willing to refer me? Script किस तरीके से होगी? Hi, your name. I have been following your work in that specific area. I am a fresher building skills in domain. Ask you 3 to 4 questions about your career path. Just 15 minutes on a call. Completely at your convenience. Entry point 4, freelance first. Small companies, SMEs need data help but can't afford full-time analyst. They offer 5,000 to 10,000 for one-time project. I will analyze your sales data and give you 5 actionable insights. Why it's work? Real experience, real outcome, portfolio with actual business impact. Platforms like LinkedIn, Local Business Connection, Upwork, India. Entry point 5, open source community projects. Joins data science communities. Collaborate on public projects, Kaggle competition with teams, show ability to work collaboratively. Resume strategy for 2026, ATS plus human reader. ATS, what is ATS? Application tracking system requirement. First is keywords from job description, include them exactly as written. Standard selection headers like experience, education, skills, not creative alternative. No image, no tables, no columns in main resume. ATS can't read this. Save as PDF. Most ATS prefer this. 2026 keyword to include If you have these skills, SQL, Python, Power BI, Tableau, Excel, data visualization, machine learning, LLM, AI tools, ChatGPT, prompt engineer, data storytelling, business intelligence, ETL, data pipeline. Achievement based points. First is proficiency in SQL and data analyst. That is wrong. What is right? Built SQL based customer retention analysis that identified 15 lakhs revenue at risk used by marketing team to prioritize outreach campaign. Add the resume AI tools. Proficient in using ChatGPT, Cloud for data analysis, code generation, and result validation. Experience in prompt engineering for data tasks. The one line signals that you are current and most fresher don't have it. Interview strategy. What to expect and how to prepare. Interview format. Most common. Round 1 online assessment, SQL problems, basic Python, case study. Round 2 for technical interview, project, SQL live, statistics questions. Round 3 for HR plus manager communication, domain knowledge, culture fit. Okay. The project interview most important. You will be asked, tell me about a project you did. Wrong approach, describe what tools you used. Right approach, tell the business story. Like, I work on domain name, problem where business challenge. I used approach with AI assistance to what you did. I found insights, the business implication is impact. If I had more time, I would. Then your next step. Okay. AI discussion. You will be asked, how do you use AI in your data work? Wrong answer. I use ChatGPT sometimes to write code. Right answer is, I use AI as a thinking partner and code as later. For example, in my project, I used Cloud to generate initial SQL queries, which I then reviewed for business correctness and extend with domain specific filter. I also used AI to brainstorm what hypothesis to test before diving into the data. The key is knowing when to trust AI output and when to verify it manually. The answer so tool proficiency plus critical thinking plus domain understanding. Your 30-day job hunting strategy. Week 1 is infrastructure step. First is resume, achievement based, ATS optimize, AI tools mentioned. Second is LinkedIn, professional photo, headline with domains, all project added. Third is GitHub, 2 to 3 project with proper readme. Week 2 is network activation. Send 10 personalized LinkedIn connection request to professional in your target domain. Apply for 5 internships, especially Internsala plus LinkedIn. Post your first project write up to on LinkedIn. Week 3 is target application. Apply to 15 companies. Focus on domain specific ones. For each application, customer cover message highlighting domain interest. Follow up after 1 week if no response. Week 4 is interview practice. 5 mock interview. Use AI to practice with friends. Refine your project stories. Prepare your AI tools. Next episode, India specific data marketing reality. Salary growth, remote work and tier 2 cities.